Some people say violence is born in the streets, but the truth is far darker. Violence begins long before a hand strikes, a weapon is raised, or a scream cuts the air. It begins in the shadows of the human brain. Welcome back. I'm Lydia, your guide through the darkest corners of human nature. In Part 1, we explored how violence emerged from evolution and survival. But now, we go deeper, inside the mind of a violent human. The reptile inside us. Hidden beneath layers of modern intelligence lies our oldest brain, the reptilian brain. It doesn't understand morality, empathy, or logic. It has one goal: survive at any cost. When you feel threatened, this ancient system wakes up. Your heart races, your muscles tighten, your vision narrows. This is the moment when the human brain becomes an animal again, ready to fight or to tear apart anything it perceives as danger, even another human being. This is the foundation of violence, a survival system millions of years old, still controlling us today. The amygdala, the spark of rage. Now we descend into the small, almond-shaped structure known as the amygdala. It is here where fear transforms into aggression. When the amygdala senses threat, whether real or imagined, it sends shockwaves through the entire nervous system. Your body prepares for war, even if the danger exists only in your mind. Studies show that people with enlarged or hyperactive amygdalas are more likely to explode in anger, to hold grudges, to fight impulsively, and yes, sometimes to kill. The amygdala doesn't wait for proof. It reacts first and asks questions later. But there is another part of the brain, the one that separates humans from every other animal, the prefrontal cortex. This is where judgment, morality, empathy, and self-control live. This is the part that whispers, "Stop, think, don't do this." But what happens when this part is damaged? History and neuroscience reveal a chilling truth. Many violent criminals, especially serial killers, have abnormalities or injuries in this exact region. Without the prefrontal cortex working properly, the brain becomes a car with no brakes, only acceleration. Emotion rises, violence follows. The inner war. Inside every human, there is a battle. The primitive brain wants survival at any cost. The emotional brain wants revenge. The rational brain wants peace. Violence is born when these systems collide, and the wrong one takes control. This is why one moment of rage, one misunderstanding, one spark can turn an ordinary human into something unrecognizable. Interaction. So now that we've looked inside the violent mind, here's the question I want you to answer. Do you believe people choose violence, or does the brain choose for them? Tell me in the comments. Your answer may appear in Part 3. Join me, Lydia, in the next episode, where we uncover the environmental triggers that turn a human toward darkness.